Let's do this. I have a pet dog. Well, so I love dogs. But I got bitten once, so I'm kind of scared of dogs. So let's put it out. There we go. Yep, there we go. I'm just afraid of stray dogs. I wish there was a banana option here because I love bananas. Okay, I'd rather do sun. No, I'd rather do cold because there's no snow in Philippines. I like the Philippines nature of OFC. No, I'd rather do this. I'd rather also do Milo. I'd rather do nature. Cause in city, you know what city? I love motors. Because you can shoot the rewind, the shooting. Bye bye. That's it.